So that's on now. Oh, Andre. Tarek in class. Okay, I'll check for him. Who is that came in? Okay, Caleb. Yeah, I'll mark you in now. I have to delete that part of this video because that is our attendance and I put it. I have to go to YouTube and delete it. Sorry, guys. Where's Caleb now? Okay, so we are on to coordinate geometry. And today we're going to start off with midpoints. And if we have time, we can do gradients, okay? Finding the midpoint of a line, okay? So let's say you have a line. You have a line like this one, yeah? A is the midpoint. A is the point 2, -2, 3, yeah? So you have that line. And B is the point 4, -3 here. And the midpoint is here, okay? I know it's 1 and 1 here, and 0 and 1. 0 and 0, it's not 0 and 1 and 0, yeah, 1 and 0, yeah. We can see it from the graph that is 1, 0, x is 1, y is 0, yeah. But we need to learn how to work out the midpoints using algebraic methods, okay? So I'm just going to write the equation. I think they have it somewhere here as well. I'm going to get you to write, and the topic is you need to write, let's get going. Our topic is topic 4. And today is what, 21, by the date, 04/21. And we're starting coordinates. We're looking at coordinate geometry. And we just want to start off with midpoints now, okay? Okay. So once you've written that down, yeah. Am I still sharing with you? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. So so if you have any points, if you have any line, yeah, if you have any line, such as the line AB, yeah, Then for any line AB, if A has coordinates x1, y1, and B has coordinates x2, y2, then the midpoint M, okay, which is the midpoint, M is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, that is the formula for calculating the midpoint of any line. Okay, if you know the coordinates of the endpoints, yeah, that is the formula for working out the midpoint of any line segment if you know the coordinates of the endpoints. Let me know when you finish writing. Okay. So you have finished writing. You've written down the formula, so let's have a look. For this one, where you have A is -2, 3 for that line there, and you have B, which is 4, -3, then using our formula to work out the midpoint, which we already know what it is. We know that it's 0, 1, but let's see whether we can find it using this formula that we just got. So using our formula, M should be equal to if here you have 2, -2, 3. That's our x1 and y1 in the formula. So this would be -2 plus, and this is going to be our x2. What do we have here? 4, -3. This would be our x2, y2. So x1 plus x2, -2 plus 4 divided by 2, 3 plus -3 divided by 2. Okay, and that's going to give us what? -2 plus 2 is what? -2 plus 4 is 1.
It's 2.
It's 2, yeah. 2 divided by 2 is 1 here, okay? So then you have 3 plus -3, which is equal to 3 minus 3, which is 0. So that will give us 0 here. So that's why we have 1, 0 on here. So we worked that out to be 1, 0 from the graph, and we worked it out from here as well to be 1, 0. So that's how we work it out. That's how we find the, yeah. So write my example down. You can make a sketch of this. You don't have to draw all the grids, just draw the coordinates and mark the points and show how you worked it out. All you need to work it out, you don't need the graph. All you need is this bit of information here to find the midpoints, okay? You don't need to draw the graph. Once you've been given the two ends of the segments, yeah, when A is a point and B is a point, you just need to find the midpoint of A and B on that line segment. Yeah? find Tarek. Easy on right, escape. Who else just came in? I know Khaled just came in. Who else just came in? Abdurrahman Alanzi.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he just came in as well. Yeah. Mm. Okay, so let's move on to the next one then. So should we try to work out this one by ourselves? That's it. Yeah. Right. Should we try to work this one out now? That's the formula that I just gave you. Yeah. So try and see if you can get these bits of information, put them in and get the midpoint. Find the midpoint of this. Write the question down. Okay.
Miss, I cannot see.
Can't see? Okay, I'm going to stop the share and start again. Share this one. Share. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Tarek. Okay, let me see. Okay. Here comes Najee. Well done, Abdullah. Let's have a look for you now. Let me go back. So you should have 5. And here plus minus 5 and 1 plus minus 1. And what should that give you then? 5 minus 5 is 0. Ooh, is that going to give us 0, 0? Okay, let's see. Let's not be afraid. Yes, well done to us. Okay, so guys, are you ready to do some now for me?
Yes.
Okay, have a go at question 1, 2, and 3. It will be noisy today, very noisy in front of my house. I'm sorry. Yes, sir. I will, sir. Okay, we'll see now. Well done. Well done to those of you who are participating. Well done to you. Good. Okay. Well done. Right. Goodness me. Abdullah, I haven't. I have. I have marked you in. That's okay. Okay, who wants to give us the answer for question 1?
-1 and 1.
-1 and 1. Okay, let's see. Well done, Reem. Yeah. Who wants to give us the answer for question 2 then? Abdullah Alao, did you do it? Nope. You're just doing it now. Oh, 2 and 2.5. Okay, 2, 2.5. Okay, let's see.
-2.5.
Oh, -2.5. All right, let's see. Did I get that right even? 0.5, okay. Well done, guys. And the last one, let me see, who else was here? Yeah, okay, I'll explain that to Kenaji because you came late. But do you want to give us your answer for the last one? Isita is gone quiet. Reem, what's your answer for the last one?
I'm here.
Okay.
It's 0.5 and 0.
0.5, comma 0.
It's -0.5.
All right, negative. You missed the negative.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so well done to you guys. So Naji, we're using the formula, okay? We're using the midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Okay, so you're up to speed now with everybody. Just write the formulas down and join us, all right? Okay, moving on. You can take a screenshot because we're moving on. Or you can get the other people to share with you if people have a WhatsApp group. I don't know. Or wherever you people share your information from. Okay, so it's my lesson notes. So I've done this and I've done this. So now we're going to have a look at to calculate the length of a line segment, okay? So let's go to slide 6. Okay, so how to find the length of a line segment. So you have this line here, okay? And A is 4,2 and B is 5,-1, yeah? So let's see the lesson. We can use Pythagoras, but we don't have to do that now. They're just showing us that we can use Pythagoras. If you know it, you know this distance and you know this distance, you can use Pythagoras to work it out, but we don't have to do that, okay? We have a formula that we can use, okay? So what I want you to do now is to write this bit of information. You don't need to write everything there, just write, if you have a line, let me circle the parts you have to write. If you're given the points, just like we did before. Yeah. Then the distance AB, or the length, I would not say distance, then the length AB is equal to, then you write the whole thing, and then we'll try it out. Okay, we'll try out this example. So what you need to write now is the length of a line segments. Let's see, let me put that on the top. We're doing a new topic. We finished with the midpoints. Okay, have we finished? So in your book now, you should have the topic, the subtopic is the length of a line segment, and you need to write down, if you're given 2 points, A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, then the length AB is the square root of x minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And this is Pythagoras, by the way. We just summarized it, okay? They use Pythagoras to work out that formula. Yeah, because we're not doing Pythagoras, we've passed, and you're not required to prove it. So I didn't want to take you through those steps, but this is Pythagoras. If you notice, you're having the square root and you're adding 2 squares inside. So it's definitely something like that. Yeah. This squared, and y squared to find this one. Yeah. Oh, you guys have got your answers already. So what is x2 minus x1 then? X2 is -6 minus 6. And this is going to give you what? And then y2 is -4 minus -6. So -6 minus 6 is going to give you what? Let me see. What are you guys putting in the chat? -4 plus 6. This is y2 is -4 minus y1 is -6. So you still have your minus, and this one comes with the sign, okay? You have the operation, which is to subtract, and you have the sign, okay, which is coming with it. And they will cancel out each other to make plus here. Yeah. So -4 subtract -6 becomes -4 add 6, okay? And what's that going to become? Okay, let's try. Let me put your answers in. Yep, this is 12. And this is what? This is 2. Okay. So now you have to put in your square root sign, you have to put the square root. Okay, the length would be equal to the square root of 12 squared add 2 squared. And what's that?
Miss, I think -6 minus 6 is -12.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I wrote it down and then I wrote the wrong thing in there. Let's just check these ones first. Yeah. Okay, so now we just have to put that into -12 squared is going to give us the same answer as 12 squared anyways. So now we just need to put that into our calculator to get the answer. The square root of 12 squared or -12 squared, you have to put it in brackets or it will mess up your answer. Plus 2 squared. Ooh. Right. What's in my calculator now? Uh-huh. I put some rubbish in. Yeah, 12.2. Yeah, somebody got it right. Let me check. Somebody got it right. Let's check. Yep. Let me see. Where's my chat? I think I saw somebody put Abdullah Aloud. Well done to you. You put 12.1. And now you just put it, rounded it correctly. Well done, Reem. And Ode, you need to step up the game with your rounding, okay? You need to practice your rounding. Okay. Well done, guys. So that's how we do it. You know the formula, you know what to do when you get the x1, y1, what to do with it. This time we're using the Pythagoras formula, but you just have to apply the change, okay? The change in the x1 and y1, yeah, to the formula. Okay. Oh, I still have this part. Okay, so you have A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Off you go, guys. 4 questions quickly. These are easy questions, easy peasy. Oh, goodness me. Right. Where is the sunlight? Where has the sun gone? Sun has vanished too from United Kingdom. Sun has gone. No more sun. No sun like today. Where's the sun gone? Okay. Mm-hmm. Well done, guys. Well done. You guys deserve an award, seriously, for having your online schooling and working so hard. It will soon be over and you'll get your rewards for working hard. Mm-hmm. This or that. No, this or that answer. Put your answer in. No, this or that, 5 or 6. That's not an answer. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We'll see now. Oh, somebody has finished. Somebody has gotten to question 4. Completed. C'est fini. Right. We should all be getting whole number answers. You should all be getting either a whole number or a decimal number, not this comma that, because we want to find the length. So we are not finding the coordinate points. We are not finding a point. We're finding the length. So these are points, but what we're looking for is the length. So it should be a number, either a whole number or a decimal number. Yeah? Okay. I'm helping us all. Well done, guys. Well done. I can see your answers. Okay, let's take some answers. Who's feeling confident about question 1? Should I call?
2.2.
Okay, 2.2. Should we check? Yep.
2.2.
Oh, 2 points. I always get to wear my glasses. No, I don't want to wear it because I don't want to. What's in my situation? Well done. Well done. Okay, next one.
3.2.
3.2. 3.2. Okay, let's check. Well done. And the next one.
1.4.
1.4. Yeah. The last one.
16.5.
16.5. Okay. Well done to you guys. So Abdullah allowed you went first 0 or 1.4. Then you decided you make up your mind is 0. Huh? Oh my goodness. See? Oh, okay, you have to make sure you go with the way you worked it out to get 1.4. That's the correct way, okay? The way you worked it out to get 1.4, that's the correct method. The other one that you worked it to get 0, that's not the right method. Okay, so that's it with the midpoints and finding the length of a line. Yeah, so all we've been doing is coordinate geometry. You see what the name means? We are working on the coordinate plane. We are doing stuff on the coordinate plane. Yeah, and when you begin to do your engineering or your design or whatever thing you're doing, you would have to mess around with that, and that's very important. Yeah, in any type of design or engineering stuff thing, it's very important. Okay, we go back to let me just put this on the right page. Where's my maths? Okay. We go back to gradients now, okay? And we looked at gradients a lot when we were doing foundation maths, when we were doing integration, differentiation, and all that, yeah? That's advanced. But this time now, we're going back to find out what we were supposed to know before we jump to those ones, yeah? All of the things that we were supposed to learn before we jump to those ones, So I already told you when you were doing foundation maths that the gradient is the same thing as the slope, okay? It represents the steepness, okay? You can have a horizontal line that has a 0 gradient like this one, okay? This line has a gradient of 1 because it's at an angle of 45 degrees. It has a gradient of 1, yeah? And maybe the gradient of this is almost vertical line is 10, yeah? A vertical line has an infinite gradient, it goes on forever. Okay, make a little sketch of what's on my board, okay? Make a little sketch of all the notes about slope, gradient, and all the different information there. Sorry, guys. I'll be there. Now. Hi. Thank you. Yeah. Send what Daniel. Sit. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, have we finished writing?
No.
Okay.
I finished.
Okay. Let's see. So maybe when we were in secondary school, they taught us that to calculate the gradient, you have to do the change in x over the change in y over the change in x. Yeah. I don't think there's anything there for us. Yeah, I'm trying to get to that place. Nope. I'll come back to them. Okay, yeah. So let's say you have a straight line and you want to calculate the gradients. Okay, it has those points. Yeah, you have a line with those points on it. Yeah. Yeah. So those 2 points there, and you want to calculate the gradients. Okay. Maybe you will calculate the difference, the change in, you draw a triangle. Yeah, this was how we did it in secondary school, or you do it in physics. You draw a triangle and then you calculate the change in y over the change in x, 5 over -6, yeah? So that's how you calculate the gradients before. But now, to find the gradient of the line joining the points, yeah, you just have to know the formula, yeah, and that's the one that you need to write now. Once you know the 2 points, then you can apply the formula, yeah? Once you know the 2 points, you can apply the formula, so write down the formula. And of course, you needed to have written the gradient, finding the gradient of a line. Okay. Yeah. And then you write down this example, and we can see how to use this one to calculate the gradient without necessarily drawing any lines. Oh, goodness me. Are you guys gonna let me teach today? Yeah? Hi, good morning. Morning. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Have we finished writing?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, somebody has put down the answer already. So if we have these 2 points, yeah. If we have these 2 points, how do we work out the gradient using this formula? Let's have a look at how they've done it. So you would have y1. So this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2 in the formula, yeah? So you would have y1 minus y2, yeah? Divided by x1 minus x2. It can be either way, but what you have to bear in mind is if you decide to do, if you decide to start with y1, then it has to be y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, yeah? You can't do y1 minus y2 over x2 minus x1, yeah? So you have to bear that in mind. Remember that. Okay, yeah. So then you need to put that into your calculator and work out the answer, which is going to be 0. Minus negative 7/8 or the decimal answer. Yeah. So write down this example. If you haven't done it already, write it down. 1 minute to write it down, and then we can have a look at some of them that you can practice for me now before we finish up for the day. I don't think we have plenty of time left. About 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I'll check now. Yes, you did, Abdullah. Okay, guys, here goes your questions. All right. Find the gradient of those lines. Find the gradient of those lines. Okay. And the gradients, the negative gradient, the positive gradient. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, somebody has finished. Yeah. Somebody has finished. So guys, come on. I'm waiting now for one or two more to finish so that we can check the answers. Mm-hmm. One more to finish. Okay, should we get some answers? Right. So Rim, what did you get for this one? Question 1.
Negative. Do you want decimal or fraction?
Decimal.
Negative 0.27.
Oh, negative
0.3.
Yeah. Well, negative 0. It's not letting me. 3. Oh, where's the point? Where's my point button? 0. Ah, this is why. So what happened to your answer? What happened to your answer, Rim? Anyways, I don't even know what
My
happened.
answer is negative 3/11.
Well, it says 3 is the correct answer. And that was like, I just said, let me remove the everything. And I don't even know when I clicked on that thing and it said correct. So that was guess for all I know. I didn't work anything out. Okay, let's do it now and see why we're getting it wrong or why we're getting it right. So y2 minus y1, changing y over x2 minus x1. So y2 is 9 minus 3 over 0 minus negative 2. Yeah. 9 minus 3 is 6 over minus is plus over 2, which is 3. Okay.
Yes,
I know
I did it wrong.
this place might be the problem you're having. Yeah. Because people always forget to put that, change that negative to plus. Okay. Go away. Who got it right? You got it right, but you didn't answer. Okay, let me check your answer, your earlier answer. Oh, well done. Well done, Abdullah. Okay, question 2 then. Who wants to answer question 2? Abdullah, let's get your answer this time. Abdullah, aloud. Please, you have to talk, okay? Why can't you talk? 2.5, yeah? 2.5. Oh, -5. You see? Is it -5 or 5?
-5.
Well done. Okay, well done. Well done, Abdullah. All right. Question 3. It looks like question 3 is a fraction. Who wants to help us with question 3 then?
5/8.
5/8. Let's see. Well done, Reem. And oh, somebody said 8/5. It's changing y over changing x, not changing x over changing y. Okay. Remember, if you don't remember which one it is, remember the y by the x. Okay, because you have done this before in calculus. Okay. So how about the last one then? Let me see. Did anybody else put their answer in here? Some people say 1/3, some people say 3/1. Which one is correct?
It's -1/3.
Is it negative? Okay, let's see.
Maybe try 1/3.
I don't know. Yeah, you're right. Well done, Rin. Oh, 2 minutes to the end. Well done. And we're enjoying this My Maths. So, yeah, it's fun, isn't it? Yeah. So that's a geometry for you for today, because I know if I'm doing this on whiteboard, it will be boring. But if it's here, people can be responding and to trying it out, and it's more visual. You can see it instead of me trying to draw a graph and draw a line and this and that. It's difficult. So this is better. Okay, guys. Any questions?
No.
Okay. So go and enjoy the rest of your day then. What time is it? Oh, we have 6 minutes to go. Yeah, okay. If you finished, then you can go. Then I'll put some independent learning for you, something to practice, okay, on Moodle. Yeah.
Okay, have a good day.
And you.
Bye.
Bye. Let me share the stream on here for the maths. Topic 4.